Today, we're diving into the Dante AVIO 2x2 USB adapter by AudioNate, a game-changer in audio connectivity. Designed to bridge your computer seamlessly into the Dante network, this compact device offers a robust solution for bidirectional audio transmission. What sets it apart is its simplicity. No drivers or additional software needed. Whether you're a seasoned audio engineer or a novice looking to enhance your setup, the AVIO delivers with its plug-and-play functionality. Built with a durable ABS enclosure, it ensures reliability in various environments. Powered conveniently via PoE or USB, it adapts effortlessly to your setup preferences. The hardware interface, featuring USB Type-C and Ethernet connectivity, supports a smooth data link protocol that guarantees stable performance. Compatible with desktops, it integrates flawlessly into existing Dante networks, expanding your audio capabilities without hassle. Whether you're streaming, recording, or mixing, the AVIO's 2x2 bidirectional audio capability ensures clarity and precision in every transmission. AudioNate has truly crafted a versatile tool that excels in both professional and personal audio applications. For anyone seeking reliable, high-quality audio integration without the complexity, the Dante AVIO 2x2 USB adapter stands out as an essential addition to your toolkit. Discover the power of seamless audio networking with AudioNate's innovative solution today.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.